In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign out of Microsoft Teams on your desktop. Whether you're using this app for work, study, or personal projects, logging out of your accounts properly can help manage your privacy and keep things organized when you're sharing the same device with others. All right, let's dive into the process step by step. First, you'll want to open the Microsoft Teams app on your desktop. You can do this by locating the app in your taskbar if it's pinned there, or you can search for it in your Start menu. Once it's open, take a moment to ensure that you're on the main dashboard of the app. This is typically the interface where you can see your chats, teams, and calls all in one place. Next, focus your attention on the top right corner of the Microsoft Teams window. That's where you'll see your profile picture. If you're new to Teams, or if you haven't set a photo, it might just be your initials in a circle. Click on this profile picture or the initials to open a drop-down menu. In the drop-down menu, you'll see several options, including settings and status. But for our purposes today, you'll want to select the option that says Sign Out. Go ahead and click on Sign Out, and in just a few moments, you'll be logged out of that particular account on Teams. It's a straightforward method that helps protect your information if you're using a shared or public computer. Now, here's an important note. If you have multiple accounts signed in on Microsoft Teams, you'll need to repeat this process for each account. So, once you've signed out of one account, go ahead and sign back in with another if you need to, and then repeat these same steps to log out of that account as well. It's crucial to remember that signing out on your desktop doesn't automatically log you out of other devices where you're signed in to Microsoft Teams. So, if you're using Teams on other gadgets, you'll need to log out on each one individually for complete account security. I hope you found this guide helpful. Signing out of Microsoft Teams can be a quick and simple task once you know where to look and what to click, and it's a good habit to get into to keep your accounts secure. If you have questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to Microsoft support for more guidance. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.